Building an empire starts with a plan that breaks all the rules. In a world where innovation rules the bill, a conventional business plan is no longer enough. Companies that thrive are those that dare to think differently, that anticipate trends, and that adapt faster than the competition. What makes an idea not just good, but revolutionary? The answer lies in the details and meticulous execution. Every market opportunity is like a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Those who can identify these opportunities before others are always one step ahead. But how do you do that? How do you ensure that your business not only survives, but leads in such a competitive environment? The secret lies in an insightful market analysis and foolproof implementation strategy. And when we talk about innovation, we talk about turning creative ideas into tangible realities. Ever wondered what it would be like to have a strategy that automatically adjusts to market changes, ensuring that you never fall behind? Continuous validation and accurate adjustment of your business plan are essential for success. It's like having a compass that always points north, even in the most violent storms. How do you measure success and make the necessary adjustments to maintain the trajectory to the top? These are the questions that define followers' leaders, and in this video, we reveal the answers you need to become an unquestionable leader. Topic 1. The importance of an innovative business plan. 1. Why is an innovative business plan crucial for success? An innovative business plan isn't just a document, it's the compass that guides your company towards success. Imagine a world where your business is always ahead of the curve, anticipating trends and outperforming competitors. This is only possible with a plan that goes beyond the conventional. Innovation isn't just a differentiator, it's a necessity in a competitive and ever-changing market. While many settle for traditional business plans, you can stand out by incorporating innovative strategies that anticipate market changes. Innovating means being proactive, seeing beyond the obvious, and seeking solutions that others haven't yet noticed. This is what separates the leaders from the followers, and that vision is what will take your company to the next level. When you create an innovative business plan, you're preparing your company to face future challenges with creativity and resilience. This type of planning allows you to adapt quickly to changes and take advantage of new opportunities as soon as they arise. An innovative plan not only maps out the path to success, but also prepares your company to constantly reinvent itself. Topic 2. Identifying market opportunities. 2. How do you discover market opportunities before your competitors? Identifying market opportunities before your competitors is like discovering gold in a still untouched river. It takes vision, courage, and a well-defined strategy. The ability to notice emerging trends before everyone else is what turns a good idea into a gold mine. So how do you do that? The key to uncovering market opportunities is to be constantly aware of changes in consumer behavior and technological innovations. Utilize market analysis tools to monitor trends and identify untapped niches. Invest in market research and always be in touch with the needs and wants of your target audience. This way, you will be able to predict future demands and position yourself strategically. In addition, attending industry events, reading trade publications, and maintaining an active network of contacts are essential practices. These actions allow you to always be informed about news and changes in the market. Staying ahead of the competition is not a matter of luck, but of preparation and proactivity. With these strategies, you'll always be one step ahead. Topic 3. Developing creative ideas. 3. How do you generate creative ideas that really make a difference? Generating creative ideas may seem like a challenge, but it's the foundation of an innovative business plan. Creativity is not a gift exclusive to a few, but a skill that can be developed and improved. And when applied well, it can transform the future of your company. So how do you unleash that creativity and generate ideas that really make a difference? First, create an environment that fosters creativity. Encourage your team to think outside the box and share ideas without fear of criticism. Utilize techniques such as brainstorming, design thinking, and mind mapping to explore different perspectives and solutions. Diversity of thought and experience is a powerful catalyst for innovation. Also, draw inspiration from other industries and contexts. Often, the best ideas come from adaptations of solutions already existing in other industries. Be curious, question the status quo, and never settle for the first idea. Innovation arises from the combination of different ideas and the constant search for improvements. With these practices, you'll be well on your way to developing creative ideas that drive the success of your business. Topic 4. Validation and testing of ideas. 4. The importance of validating your ideas before investing. Before investing time and money into a new idea, it's crucial to validate it to ensure its potential for success. Validating your ideas is like testing the strength of a bridge before you cross it. It's an essential step that can save your business from major losses and ensure you're on the right track. To validate your ideas, start with market research and feasibility analyses. Utilize methods such as prototyping, MVP, minimum viable product, and usability testing to get real feedback from potential consumers. This process allows you to identify weaknesses and opportunities for improvement before a full launch. Testing your ideas in a controlled environment minimizes risk and increases your chances of success. Also, engage your target audience from the start. Conduct interviews, surveys, and focus groups to understand their needs and expectations. This engagement not only validates your idea, but also creates a valuable relationship with your future customers. Continuous, iterative validation of your ideas ensures you're always aligned with the market and prepared to adjust your strategy as needed. Topic 5. Structure of the innovative business plan. 5. The essential elements of an innovative business plan. An innovative business plan goes beyond traditional sections and incorporates elements that highlight your vision and ability to adapt. To build a truly innovative plan, you need to include components that demonstrate your deep understanding of the market and your unique approach. Let's explore these essential elements. First, start with a detailed market analysis that identifies trends, opportunities, and threats. Show how your company is positioned to take advantage of these opportunities in innovative ways. Include a competition study that highlights your competitive advantages. Understanding the competitive landscape is crucial to demonstrating the viability and sustainability of your business. Next, develop a clear business model that outlines your revenue sources, cost structure, and unique value proposition. Utilize tools such as the Business Model Canvas to visualize and communicate your strategy effectively. Finally, include a detailed implementation plan that outlines the steps to turn your ideas into reality. The combination of these elements creates a solid and innovative business plan that inspires confidence and attracts investors. Topic 6. Implementation strategies. 6. How to turn your innovative plan into reality. Turning an innovative plan into reality requires more than just good ideas. It requires meticulous and well-planned execution. Effective implementation is where many entrepreneurs fail, but with the right strategy, you can overcome this challenge and ensure the success of your business. Let's see how. First, set clear and measurable goals for each step of your plan. Use the SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound methodology to set realistic and achievable goals. A well-defined schedule keeps your team focused and ensures that you're progressing as planned. Clarity in goals is key to keeping the team motivated and committed. Also, allocate resources strategically. Identify the competencies you need and ensure you have the right team for each task. Invest in training and ongoing development to keep your team up to date with the latest trends and technologies. A well-prepared team is the key to the successful execution of your plan. Finally, constantly monitor progress and be ready to adjust the route as needed. Utilize project management tools to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Hold regular evaluation meetings to identify problems and opportunities for improvement. Flexibility and adaptability are essential to turn an innovative plan into a successful reality. Topic 7. Measuring and adjusting for success. 7. The importance of measuring and adjusting your business plan. A business plan shouldn't be static. It should evolve as your business grows and the market changes. Measuring and adjusting your business plan is crucial to ensure that you are always on track. This continuous process of evaluation and adjustment is what keeps your company competitive and resilient. To measure the success of your plan, set KPIs, key performance indicators, that reflect your strategic objectives. These indicators should be specific, measurable, and relevant to your business goals. Regularly monitoring these KPIs allows you to quickly identify areas that need attention and adjust your strategies as needed. Also, be open to feedback and utilize it to continuously improve your business plan. Gather insights from customers, employees, and partners to identify strengths and areas for improvement. This feedback is invaluable in adapting your strategies to the real needs of the market. Remember, an innovative business plan is dynamic and must be constantly adjusted to ensure sustainable success. The future of your business depends on the actions you take today. Every decision, every adjustment, can be the difference between roaring success and mediocrity. How will you ensure that your strategies adapt to rapid market changes? How do you turn your vision into a tangible reality that revolutionizes your industry? These are the questions that will continue to resonate as you move forward. The journey doesn't end here. Each new challenge is an opportunity in disguise, waiting to be conquered by those who are prepared. Are you ready to find out what makes an idea not only good, but extraordinary? How will you keep your team motivated and aligned with your plan's innovative goals? At every step, innovation will be your guide. Think of the endless possibilities that an innovative business plan can open up for you. How will you measure your progress and ensure you're always on track? The secret lies in constant adaptation and the incessant search for improvements. What will you do now to ensure the success of your business? The next move is yours, and the world is watching.